Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to play Steam games without updating when updates are needed. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Now, here's an important note before we continue. If a Steam game has a required update, Steam normally won't let you launch it until the update is installed. However, there are a few situations where you may be able to play without updating, and this only works for single-player games. Single-player games are more likely to work offline or through the executable file. Multiplayer games usually require the latest version and cannot be played without updating, so keep that in mind. Although I don't have any single-player game in my Steam library, I will show you the next steps. Let's pretend I am using a single-player game for this demonstration. In the top menu, click on Library to view all your installed games. This is where you can access all the games you currently have on your system. In the left panel, right-click on the game you want to play without updating, then select Properties from the menu that appears. This will open up a new window with various options for that specific game. In the left panel of this Properties window, click on Installed Files. This section gives you access to the actual game files stored on your computer. Next, click Browse. This will open the folder where your game files are stored on your system. In the upper right corner of the folder window, click the search bar and type .exe, then press Enter. This will filter and show you all the executable files for that game. Once you see the executable file appear, double-click it to launch the game directly. This bypasses Steam's update check and allows you to launch the game without installing the required update. This method works for some single-player games, but keep in mind that many games still require Steam to run and may trigger an update check even when launched this way. The success of this method really depends on how the game was developed and whether it has any dependencies on Steam services. Alternatively, there's another approach you can try. In the upper left corner of Steam, click on Steam, then select Go Offline from the drop-down menu. This puts your entire Steam client into offline mode, which can sometimes allow you to play games without downloading updates. So there you have it. You now know how to bypass Steam updates for single-player games using the executable file method or by switching to offline mode. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.